So I came here to buy the DIY stuff, but this entire store is so festive. You can see in the backdrop, it's so festive. I just feel like picking up the entire thing. It's so lovely. It's so festive. So finally I found these spray paints, and we have picked up the white color, this one. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tushtita. So what are we doing today is we are decorating our house for Christmas. So I always wanted a house which I can decorate in my own style for any festival. So I decorate for Diwali, if you have seen my previous vlog. Now it's Christmas time, so here we are decorating for Christmas. So what you're going to get in this video is some DIYs and how I decorate my Christmas tree. And there will be some photo shoots. So I'm going to put the tree in this corner. I wanted to put in that corner, but the problem is that we have a hole here which I am not able to hide it. So never mind, I can still put up the tree there and hide it. Also the socket point is that side, that side. So yeah, it'll be easier for me to light up the tree as well. And yeah, let's do it. So these are the Christmas decoration items. I'm not gonna use all the colors. It makes it look very messy. So I'm just gonna use red, then white, and the silver ones. So the tree is up, and this is a 6 feet tree, and I have put up the lights already, and let me show you how it looks when it gets light up. So finally the Christmas tree is decorated and the lights are up. So I just need to cover up this portion. I'm covering up this bottom area of the Christmas tree with these flowers and this lantern, this 2 empty gift boxes, and this 2 little Christmas ornament. So I didn't have any other empty gift boxes, so I had to cover it up with the flowers. जुगाड़ करना पड़ता है. So the next step is DIY, and आज नहीं करेंगे. It's already 5 o'clock and it's about to get darker now, and tomorrow morning we'll start the DIY. So we'll see you then. Good morning guys, it's day 2 of my vlog and it's another day. So like I've shown it to you guys, what I've done yesterday is putting up this tree, decorating it and putting up the light. So today what I'm gonna do is DIY. So before doing DIY, I'm gonna show you one thing in this room which is present currently is this. So this is a huge shoe mess and I have to clear it out ASAP, plus this mess. So let's start with our first DIY, and for that I'm using this beer bottle, and there are 2 more which I'll be using for this DIY, and then some of this twig to put it inside the beer bottle, and some cherries. So I have put on my gloves just to protect my hands from getting sprayed, and then I'll be using this spray to coat the entire bottle. So I'm done spraying this bottle. There are 2 more to be sprayed. So I'm waiting for it to get dried, and then I can maybe put on the twigs today or like then tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's day 3 and today we're gonna continue from where we stopped yesterday, and these bottles are already dried. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put this red color on this neck of the bottle. Also I want to say one thing is that it's not my ideas. I had seen many bloggers like doing this DIYs, and also I checked easy DIYs for Christmas on Pinterest. It looked really pretty on Pinterest, and plus it was very, easy to do, and you don't require much stuff for that. So finally I'm done with this bottle, painting it red, and I'm going to continue same for the remaining 2 bottles. Now I'm just waiting for them to get dried up. Probably they might have got dried. Let me just check. Yeah, it has dried. So I'll use these cherries now. I was thinking it can be wrapped, but I was wrong. So I will use sellotape to stick them just parallel to the branches. I've already sticked one, and this is how it is looking.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Finally, I got this brown color, and now I'm gonna paint this color over these tapes and other areas where the tapes are visible. So my first DIY is completed. Now moving on to the next DIY, I'm going to use this roadside tree branches. So let's start. So basically I'll be using these branches for a DIY. So I have placed them now in the shape of a star. So I finally made this one triangle. I somehow got this thread jugaad karke. So finally it is done. I have also tied it from here and from there. I wanted to tie it from here as well, but itne threads nahi mile mujhe, so इसी से काम चलाना पड़ेगा. So now I have this copper lights which I'll tie it around the star. So I'm finally done wrapping up the copper lights around the star. Let's see. So I'll just light up and show you guys how it looks. So this is how the star is gonna look. It looks really pretty, don't it? So my DIYs are completed, and now I was thinking, what if I make my house smell like Christmas? And for that, we need to head towards the kitchen. So this is my cute little kitchen, which I'm yet to decorate and organize. So for a recipe, we would need this pot half filled with water. Then we need a lemon, fresh mint leaves, then some vanilla extract, and handful of cinnamons. You guys have to try this one. The combination of lemon and mint gives so much of freshness, and the addition of cinnamon gives the extra holiday warmth. So this was one of my favorite natural potpourri stuffed simmers. So this lasts till 4 days, and even if it gets dried up, all you can do is pour some water and start simmering. And the house has already started smelling amazing. And this is how the Christmas corner looks from here. And when you enter the hall, you can directly see the star twinkling. So hope you like the decor and the DIY. And this is just a simple decoration for Christmas and DIY. I've just moved into the house, and we don't have any furniture here or sofa here in the living room, so that we can decorate more. And anyways, the house feels so amazing. I just love the vibe. The house smells amazing. And yeah, this is my first time celebrating Christmas at my own house, decorating for it. So I'm in my beginner phase. Probably next time I'll be pro in that. If you like the video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe.